Good morning, guys. Yeah, it is now already 8 o'clock exactly. I am day off today and yeah, I have no plan. I want to go out. I want to do some road trip because I will be day off for 3 days, but I don't know where to go. Yeah, we are now going to here is somewhere in the town center. I'm going to have a breakfast. They're doing some construction. Yeah, renovation of the roads here. It's been a week actually. This just in front of the Woolworths. I'm getting one of these for the car. It's $2. I'm taking this 2 banana bread. It's just $1.75. I also took a yogurt. This is $3.50. Oh, the bus. Yeah, the bus is allowed to go through. Actually, it's open now. It is windy here by the beach. This banana bread is better if it's a little bit toasted. It is a little bit windy in here, but it's beautiful. You see the sky, it's color blue and no any clouds. But yeah, actually yesterday it was really cloudy and dark. But now it's beautiful. There are some people there, they are fishing, but no one is swimming, of course. Actually, even if I'm wearing this thick jacket, I'm still feeling the cold. That is because of the wind. And there is one camper on that side. I think they slept there last night. Yeah, they are a couple, boyfriend, girlfriend. Also maybe they are a foreigner, not Australian, because it's a camper van, rental camper van that they have. Look at this tree, looks beautiful, big. And there are also some people fishing here. Maybe they are family. I actually cannot stand with the cold. Okay, I'm going back to the car. It is already 12:40. The time is running really fast. Actually, I don't need to remove it because I was washing the one that I am supposed to wear. And I'm going to prepare my meal. Actually, noodles. I'm going to cook noodles. We are going out again. It is now 4:40 actually. Yeah, in 20-30 minutes it will be dark here already. But we are going out because we are going to walk around in Kmart. Maybe I'm going to buy a vacuum cleaner. And yeah, when I checked the mailbox, I found a mail. And you know, I was worried that maybe I made a traffic violation during my previous road trip in Sydney. Yeah, because you know, you cannot avoid that sometimes you are going to the red light. It was yellow but suddenly becomes red. You know, in that very situation, you always feel that, I always feel that, oh, maybe it was recorded and maybe there is camera and, you know. Yeah, there are things like that when I'm driving in Sydney. And sometimes they speed also. Yeah, there are moments that I'm worried that maybe I made a violation, traffic violation. Yeah, and so whenever I check the mailbox, because you know the violation letter will arrive in the mailbox, and this time I receive not violation for traffic violation, but apparent failure to vote from the NSW Electoral Commission. We are now here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square, and there's one the same of my van, Volkswagen Transporter. The sun just set and this is how it is. We're just going inside the Aldi to browse for weekly special. There's another Volkswagen transporter on that side. Yeah, like what I've said, Volkswagen transporter is popular in Australia. For sure later when I get out from this building, it will be dark already. The weekly special they have are there's something related for snow, like jacket, shoes, gloves, these things. I don't need because I don't really have plan of going to the snow this season. I'm getting one of these. This $3.99. Also getting one of these $2.99. Yeah, it is dark now, and we are going to Kmart. Most of the shop are already closed. Oh, there's a new open Cotton On. Yeah, where the Aldi was before. Nice. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is already 11 o'clock already. I'm going to prepare my breakfast. Oh, it's almost lunch. This is what I'm going to eat. And you know, this microwave is broken already. It's not switching on anymore. I needed to unplug and then plug it again to switch it on. But I need to remove this fridge because the plug is on that side. I don't want to do it. So I'm just going to heat it here in the pan. Okay, this is my breakfast. No, lunch. Oh, let me show you the letter that I received from New South Wales Electoral Commission. Yeah. Dear Robbie, apparent failure to vote New South Wales State Election 2023. New South Wales Electoral Commission records indicates that you appear to have failed to vote at the New South Wales State Election 2023 held on March 25. Yeah. Act now. Respond online at novoteelection.newsouthwales.gov.au or complete any of the below 4 options. You must respond by July 14, 2023. If you do not respond, the matter may be referred to Revenue New South Wales to enforcement action and further costs may apply. First option, if you did vote, complete this option. I declare I did vote at the New South Wales State Election 2023. And then the second option, if you did not vote and believe you have a sufficient reason, complete this option. I believe that I don't have a sufficient reason for this option 2. Yeah, there's no excuse. And then the third option is payment of penalty $55 to the New South Wales Electoral Commission. Yeah, so I'll just pay. Option 4 is have the matter dealt with by a court. If you choose this option, you will be required to attend court. If you are convicted of failing to vote, the court may impose the maximum penalty of $110 plus court costs. So the easiest option is to pay, which is just $55. And that is what I am going to do. The reason why I did not able to vote is because yeah, first thing is I was shy to go inside the voting precinct to do that. But for sure in the next year, in the next election, I will go. Another reason is I don't know how to vote. And another thing is I don't know the politician. Yeah, here in Australia, there's no so much poster of a politician. Usually they are in the mailbox, but yeah, not enough. I mean, you need to do some research for you to learn the candidates, the politician. And it is now 4:37. Yeah, I want to go out. So this is how it is here. Yeah, very nice. Peaceful, quiet. Yeah, there's one car there. Maybe he's going to sleep there. I don't know. Because you know, sometimes, oh, it's different now. Yeah, they actually removed the barrier here. Before there's like a wooden barrier similar to those. Yeah, and here they remove it. It looks clean. Looks more beautiful now. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just going to do some pull-ups here. There are some boats on the inside there in the water. If you remember, I was doing pull-ups here before when I was on my bike. 10. I'm going to do another 10. Actually, I'm planning to do 50 today. 10, 10, 10, 10. Yeah, it's difficult. I can't do 10. Yeah, just 5. I did 5. Yeah, because no practice, I'm becoming very weak. But I will try again. That's enough because I don't want to have a painful body yet tomorrow. Yeah, it's like that. I'm actually tempted to go to the gym, apply for a gym membership, but I don't have much money. Yeah, my money all goes to the car, all goes to camping, but it's okay. I like it. Pull up is enough. Let's go and walk around here. We'll see how it is in the water. And there are a few cars here. That, this, that. The sun is actually gone already, and most of the people that are here are walking their dogs. This spot is nice. It's good to put a chair here and sit down while watching this view. Yeah, that particular spot, very nice. And I think I will keep on doing that pull-ups. I mean, going to make it like a daily habit. He's fishing with a GoPro. I think GoPro. Good afternoon. Yeah, it feels good that I did some pull-ups. I feel it in my chest now. So good. I feel like I'm strong. Strong!